Yeah, what's up, guys? My name is Maja underscore KE. Oh, this is vice versa, but you can see it's Maja underscore KE. Subscribe, guys. What do you think about this T-shirt? And behind here also it's Maja underscore KE. So go check on me if you haven't subscribed. Check on me at Maja underscore KE. So guys, I'm so happy today. um, I'm here. This is my t-shirt at Maja underscore KE. Subscribe. So tell me what you think about this t-shirt, and we know about it. So thank you guys for always supporting me. Thank you so much for always supporting Grandpa. Thank you so much for always supporting me, Nato, Mayuno. We really don't take that for granted. You guys are the most precious people in this world. We really appreciate. So, wow, I don't know what to tell you guys, but I love you all from the bottom of my heart. I really love you guys. I really love you. I wish, I wish this could, yeah, could reflect like the normal way, but as you can see, just get to tell me on the comment section how it looks like. So guys, I'm just off picking, is it off or road, off picking my future wife, and we have talked some things. As I told you, we don't have to do some videos together for now, for now, but when everything is well, we will be doing great videos, me and Dorena, and that is my future wife. And I really believe in good vibes, in good vibes. So yeah, I can see my. By the way, where I'm coming from is just nearby my home place, so I can see my masons are going out. So one of them is there. Maybe you can talk to him and listen what he's saying. The masons who are putting the tiles on the Airbnb. So let's go and see what he's saying. Yeah. Nyaji, umemaliza? Oh, umepewa pesa? Oh. So this is who was one of the masons who was working at the Airbnb, was putting tiles. You can see he has this. Yeah, this is used. Hiyo mnatumia kufanya nini? Unaweza ongea kizungu. Unaweza ongea kizungu. Okay. Hii inatumika kufanya nini? Oh, this is used to cut the tiles. Cut the tiles. So I have not gone home. I really think I want to go and check if the work is good. But if you are here in the village and you want to put some tiles on your house, these guys are one of the best. Yeah. So this one are one of the best. So if you see the Airbnb, it's not good, just tell me. I'll go for him to, yeah, for more information. So thank you so much, asante sana. Thank you. I hope mko yeah, so much. Yeah, so that was one of the guys who were at the Airbnb putting tiles and everything. Yeah, yeah. Mwita Junior, what are you saying? Yes. So let me help Mwita Junior here a bit. Yeah. So guys, as I was saying, thank you so much for helping. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for everything. I really believe in you. I really believe in hard work. I really believe in friends. I really believe in good friends, not only friends, but in good friends. And thank you guys for always supporting us. Yeah, people are working hard. Go. people are working hard here to get ends meet, and I'm really proud of people in Nyabuanse, because I can say, I don't say it in a bad way. People here, like, they want to see what you are doing and what you achieve, so that they can also maybe work hard. Like right now, when we were starting the YouTube channel, me and Nasto, people were like, you guys, what are you doing? You guys, you're wasting your time. But when they saw that maybe we are buying now some things for the Airbnb, some things for, maybe you're buying something, and they were really like, kumbe, these guys are really working hard to this YouTube. And they are like, right now they are like coming like, can you open a YouTube channel for me? Can you do this for me? Or can you help me 100 shillings? They are the same people who were saying that, were telling us like, what are you doing, guys? Are you wasting your time, or are you mad? Yeah. But all in all, I really believe in supporting. I really believe in good vibes. I really believe in, yeah, positive vibes. So you guys made us to be here. I always say this. Sorry if you don't like me saying this, but I really believe in helping. I really believe in good vibes, and I don't regret having my subscribers, because they are very, how can I say this, they are very supportive, and they are very positive about everything. Yeah. So I see my brother there. Yeah. So guys, let's talk to my brother. Yeah. This is Mabere. So let's talk to Mabere. We have not seen each other for a very long time. Yeah. Yo, how are you?
Good. Hello guys. Mabere Musa. I'm Dan Maja. I like your shirt.
Thank you.
I like your shirt.
Yeah, you see behind here also.
Maja KE.
Yeah, at Maja KE.
Okay, I'm happy today with you. I'm happy welcoming in your video. I'm grateful. Yeah. Go and check out me. I'm a YouTube. Also, I'm Mabere Musa. Go and subscribe to my channel.
Yes. Oh.
Oh no.
Yeah. So this is Mabere Musa. Go check him out on YouTube. Kindly subscribe and like the video if you can, share. Yeah, and watch the video till the end. Let's take him to 100 subscribers. This is one of my big brother, and also a supporter, and we have also grown together. So guys, please, if you're watching this, go support Mabere.
I'll be grateful for you.
Yeah.
Guys. Much grateful. So, how's the day going?
My day was good, and today I'm so happy because yesterday and the other day we were with Dorena, and I'm really happy. I'm feeling good.
How is she?
Dorena, she's very fine, very fine. Yeah.
Give her my greetings.
Your greeting.
Yeah.
Just say here. She will watch. She always watches my
Dorena,
video.
hi.
And, yeah.
I would like to one day to meet.
Yeah. One day.
One day, even tomorrow.
Take her out.
Oh, I'm allowed to take her out.
Yeah, you are allowed, but with me.
Okay.
Yeah, when I'm around.
I'll
Yeah.
take with you. I take you with you guys to go and have some good things.
Yeah.
Out.
Yeah, thank you so much. This is my brother. Yeah, support kindly.
I'll be great with you guys. Mabere Musa, go and check on me.
Okay, so where are you off?
I'm going to Nanansto's place to charge my phone.
Oh.
I don't know if I'll find
No, Nasto, we were with Nasto, and he has gone to my Ignos place.
it. Oh, so I'm fine.
I think is at my yes.
Let me go and leave you and can check on
Guys, see motorbike.
it. Next time.
Eh. Yeah, I would like one day to have a motorbike like that. To have one, I really admire that
So we're supposed to have a vehicle, not a motorbike. A motorbike will put you down here. These things will not.
Yeah.
It will spoil your face.
Yes.
It's better a car.
No, you know, me, I really
Prefer-
believe. Yeah, I prefer a
prefer
motorbike.
motorcycle.
Yeah, a motorbike.
You
Yeah.
check on me. I'll show you how we can make it. I know you can find one.
Yeah.
Then we pimp it.
Yes. So thank you so much. Subscribe to Mabere Musa, and let's take it to 1,000 subscribers, guys. If you love me, kindly go check on him and subscribe, share the video, like, watch till the end. Don't skip the ads, guys. Yeah,
I'll be great for you.
yeah,
To Maja, I'll be great for you.
yeah.
Go and subscribe to Mabere Musa.
Yes.
So Maja, let me corner. Go.
Yeah, cornering. Yeah. So thank you so much for being on my channel. Yeah. So guys, as I was saying, picked I picked my future wife from work, and she was even happy for this Maja_KE. This I designed it today. So guys, tell me how it looks. She was very happy when I picked her from where she is. I can't tell you where she is, but yeah, love wins all the way. Love wins. So guys, and I can tell you I have a lot of cars today. Let me show you. Yeah, we have a lot of them passing. So that is the way to maybe Nairobi. Okay, let's start with Migori, Nairobi, Migori, Kisii, Nairobi. Yeah, this is the way, and this is near my home. Yeah, so this is where we stay, and sometimes, by the way, Nasto likes this tone, this, so you can come and sit here and yeah, relax here. Yeah, relax here. So you have friends, they are doing videos also. Yeah. Hey, Muzuri. Yeah, before saying hi. So guys, as I was telling you, my biggest plan with Dorena, we want to before going home, I want to maybe rent for her and me, but I will not be staying with her because I really believe there's something that before marriage you can't do it, you know. But okay, my I can say my plan is like to rent a place for her so that so that she can be free on herself, live a life, live a life on his own, and I think right now she has to be on her own, live on her own, so that when I want to meet her, I can meet her anytime I want, not somewhere that I'm restricted to go and meet her. So guys, you get to tell me if I should rent for Dorena or not. I rent for her, and I open a business for her so that we can maybe have that good time together and get to meet every time, you know. Yeah, beside her parents. So as I told you, I have really big plans for Dorena, and I don't know how I can tell you guys. And I told you behind the camera we can't do. Okay, behind the camera we talk with Dorena, but I don't want right now to put her on camera. I don't want to put her on camera before we we get maybe to before we get married, or before we, yeah, I can say before we get married, because uh there are some things they are private. We need privacy, not we, she needs privacy. So, and I am like accepting that, because of everyone has his or her own decision to make. You know, if someone tells you like, I don't want you to do this, you should not do that. Respect that, because she or he has a reason. And that's why I'm telling you guys, like, I don't want to put Dorena on camera. Today we have a difficult, yeah, I don't want to put Dorena on camera before we agree to get married. But expect the best, and expect the best from us. I always say that expect the best, but expect the best. The cars here, yeah. So expect the best from us, me and Dorena, and I believe in positive vibes. And guys, if you're out there, and you know what you want in life, and you know you want to work hard, you want to be yourself, and do it. I want to encourage maybe some people out there that have given up in life. Life is very short. You never know what will happen, and you never know what will happen next, you know. So I want to encourage the young man or youth out there, just do your best, be yourself, and try to sorry guys, my power is going off. Try to do something that will make you to be somewhere. And maybe me, I can say right now I want to make it, and I have a family, like my own family, my children, like a whole children. By the way, I want to get even triplets, so that I can close my journey of getting kids. So guys, you get to tell me if I should get, maybe, I really love twins. And I'm praying so hard that I get the twins, so that we can close the chapter of kids and get to grow them in different platforms. Yeah, so guys, I'm really proud of you. I always tell you, I'm really proud of you. If it was not for you, I will not have been here today. I will have not got this courage to maybe talk to you guys. I know there are some people who have lost hope, and they watch me and they say, if Maja is from down there and today is here. And people watch Marwa and say, if Marwa, he was there and today he's where he is, like, we can do it. I really love to encourage people. I really love to give to support people. And when you support someone, will not cost you anything at all. If you are in the position to support, it will not cost you anything. We always say in our Swahili, like, tenda wema nenda zako, God will bless you even more. And I've seen that it's for real. Tenda wema nenda zako. even if you have helped someone and sometimes he looks down on you, God will open a way for you that is bigger than everything. So I really believe in the hard work, and hard work pays. Yeah, there are young boys here. They are working, as you can see. They are working. They are struggling to get ends meet. So yeah, I really believe in hard work, and may God bless you. You people support us. So we have cows here. Poor poor ni aje? So they were saying hi. Yeah. So here we have friends. I always have friends who visit, as you always know. Yeah, we have me. We have Muita Junior. Kindly go check on Muita Junior. He's been a supporter. He's been great. He's been a very good friend. He's like a brother to me also. Go support. Go support. It's Nasto, my Yugno, everyone, my Popo. Yeah, team positive vibes. Support kindly. I beg you. And if you love me, I love you from the bottom of my heart. So guys, I think I will do the last video. I will do the last video, me and Dorena. From there, I will not be posting any videos with me and Dorena until we get married or until our wedding day. So I will do the last video with Dorena, and I will, it is soon, maybe even it's tomorrow. I really love her, and I believe she loves me back. So I will be going to do the last video. I'm sorry for this if I'm hurting you, but I will be doing the last video with Dorena until until we get to know if we are going to be married. Yeah, so I will do the last video with Dorena, because also she's not comfortable with the videos, and yeah, she's not I can say not comfortable. She's not used to the videos, but I think I will do the last video with Dorena, and you guys get to know, yeah, what is going on and what will go on. But very soon, very soon, guys. I don't want to say this because the plans are very big and very huge. So very soon, be ready for this big surprise. Yeah, so guys, if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, go subscribe to Maja_KE YouTube channel. Yeah, and I will really appreciate, so you can see how the episode started. If you haven't subscribed, you can see the episode how they started, and we have ended here at our village, beautiful village Nyabuhanse. I really love this place. God has blessed this land, and I really love this. Wow, so beautiful. So guys, if you're watching me, thank you so much. God bless you. From my end, I love you so much, and okay, sorry, I don't want to end this video before friends say hi to you guys. So yeah, so guys, God is good. I can say God is good. From grace to grace, I can say this. You have been seeing me on motorbike, the beast, but now we have the biggest beast here. Yeah, so God is good, God is great. I pray. So I know a lot of people will ask, Is this car yours, or is this car for someone else? Is this car for... So I want you today to know the truth about this car that I always use recently. So let's start with Pope.
What's up, my people? My name is Ben Julius.
Yeah.
Thank you so much and feel most welcome on Maja's KE channel. Please keep on supporting us, keep on like, subscribe, and through this, God will bless you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So this is Pope, and kindly go check him out. He's also struggling to be the best,
But
one of the best.
hope one day ends with me, guys.
Yeah,
Through
yeah.
your support and hard work, praying, I know everything is valid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We believe in God. We believe in the best. We believe in working hard.
You,
Yeah.
you always say positive vibe, positive mind, hard
Yeah.
work, yeah, and everything gonna be real.
Yeah. So, and here we have the beautiful one, Mickey. Yes.
Hi guys, welcome back to Maja_KE YouTube channel. Thank you so much for always supporting him. I'm also a content creator. You can check me out at Vlog with Mick, and I really appreciate it.
Yeah. Thank you so much for always coming. She's a good friend, a good soul, and we always share some ideas. We
Yeah,
always
sure.
share, everything. Kindly go check her out, subscribe, and if you are from her end, subscribe.
Let
Positive
him know you are
vibes.
from me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Vipi? Yeah, that is my friend there. So we have Matatu. That is called Matatu. Yeah. So thank you so much, Mickey. Thank you so much for always being there and supporting. Yeah, I really
Thank you for
appreciate it.
always being there too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mickey, subscribe, share, watch the video till the end to
Yeah.
Mickey. Yeah. And here we have
Buga.
Muita Junior. He's trying to steal my name here.
You know, this is the team positive vibes.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. Okay, welcome back to Maja_KE's channel. My name is Lita Junior. Thank you so much for supporting Maja KE. Mayugu no do call you Maja KQ.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. Maja KQ.
Maja KQ.
Yeah, so guys, you can also go and check me on YouTube at Muita Junior on a road to 1,000 subscribers. Kindly guys, do something.
Yeah. Support a brother, and positive vibes as always. If you see someone we are together, it's always positive vibes, and I love you guys, our supporters, because you're always positive. Yeah. Subscribe to Maja_KE. Yes.
Subscribe.
Yes.
Hit the notification bell.
Let me show you from behind here.
Let me help.
Yes. Yes. Let's change this down.
No, sorry. Maja at Maja_KE.
Yeah. Sergio says that. Yeah. So guys, wow, the cars today are very many here. So the family is here, and I really believe in positive vibes. So this is team positive vibes. Kindly support these guys. I really believe in that. So yeah. So guys, someone asked that this car, Maja, have you bought this car? So do you want to know if I bought it or not? Tell me behind the section. So let me ask this guy.
You ask me. Ask.
This car is for who?
Okay, I'm the first owner, but now you are the second owner.
So guys, you get to know the story about this car from me and Muita Junior.
Yeah.
So the next video you see me doing, you will be seeing Muita Junior and me. So we get to explain about this car. And guys, let me know how this car looks like. Yes. So
on the ground side.
oh yes, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys how it looks like. How it looks like.
You can show them here, and then the front
This is a
here.
Crown, new model.
Yeah.
Yeah, new model. Yes, so guys, get to tell me how the car looks like, and let's get to know if
Bonnet.
yeah. By the way, we can see the bonnet and get to know if this car is worth it. Yeah, and by the way, tomorrow we will be talking about this story about this car with Muita Junior, and get to know if this car is Muita Junior's or mine. Yeah,
That is the engine.
this is the engine. Yes, this is
It's
the
a nice
engine.
car.
Yeah, I really love this car. Very comfortable. Even Grandpa likes this car. He was like,
You have a nice car.
yes, Maja. Maja, is this a dream come true? So let's get to know.
It looks
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yes. Yeah. So guys, you will get to know the story of me and Muita Junior and all about this car, and we will get to know the owner of this car.
Yes.
Yes. Is
Yeah.
it true?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Dorena, wait for the video tomorrow so that you get to know who is the owner of this car. Is it Muita Junior or is it Maja? Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for always coming. Thank you so much for always supporting all the positive vibes family, and I really love you guys, my family on YouTube. I don't take that for granted, and I really okay. I know I know I don't want to say this, but I can't hold it. My mom, I really love you so much. My mom, village grandpa, and village grandpa, I love you so much. And I have so many moms, and I think when she sees this video, she will know who she is. I really love you. Thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly, and thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. May God bless you abundantly. I know you know. Yeah, may God bless you abundantly. And I want you, mom, to know, not my mom, the mom I have, like
Okay, not
so-
the
not
grandpa's
village-
wife.
yes, not grandpa's
Wife.
yeah. I want you to tell me if this is good and the behind. So I really love you abundantly. May God bless you with a lot of blessings. May God shower you with blessings. I really love you. Be blessed. God bless you and my family on YouTube. Until my next video, get to know if this car is Majas or Muita Junior.
Yeah.
Be blessed. Peace and positive vibes. Let me see you on my next video. Bye.